Most of you didn't know it was possible to use Chrome extensions on Android. The setup is pretty simple. First, open Play Store. Click on the search bar and type Kiwi browser. After that, click search. The app will show up. Just install the app. I already downloaded it and I will go on to open it. The app kinda looks like Chrome. Now to download or install extensions. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and this menu should show up. The extensions option is right here. Click on it to reveal this page. I already have some installed extensions. To download an extension, click on the plus from store option. This will take you to the store. The store has multiple extensions you can choose from. There is an option to search for any extension you want. To install an extension, click on it and wait for it to load. After it is done, there should be a blue icon with Add to Chrome written on it. Click on the icon and wait for the installation process to complete. After it is done, it should look like this. To confirm, go back to extension page and it should be there. You can also install extensions from zip files or pack extensions. Updating the extensions is also pretty simple. Just click on Update. I am Valor Tech. I make videos on solving common Android problems, tutorials, and cool stuff you can do with your phone. Check out these videos and subscribe if you feel it is the right thing to do.